Hello everybody, my name is James Elliott and I run Elliott Antique Clocks Limited, and I also run the eBay shop, the Horology Centre. And today I've just finished servicing this Rolex reference number 6694 caliber 1225 movement. It's a manual wind, as you can see. It's in a really nice oyster case, Oysterdate, with a black dial. And we're just about to reinstall the balance wheel. So let's do that. You want to apply the most deftest of touches till it's home. Now we can see the balance spring into life, which is why I love horology. And in with the screw. And what you want to do is just hold it down with a piece of pegwood. And before securing properly, one just wants to check that the balance staff is fitted into the jewels correctly, and that the cock is nice and flat and in position, which it all is, which allows us to then tighten that down. And there we have it, absolutely banging away, really healthy movement. And we'll install the dial next and hands. Before that, we'll put it on the timing machine and see what sort of reading we get. But I'm very, very happy with that. Nice and sprightly, as they say. And here we are with the dial and hands back on. Dial for a vintage dial is in really great condition. I'm not sure if it's been restored. Maybe someone could comment below and tell me what they think. But it looks pretty original to me. It's got all the patina. Right, let's get it in the case then. So here we are in front of the timing machine. As you can see, we got a fantastic reading. For a vintage watch, the amplitude is absolutely perfect. There's no way you're going to get a high reading like that without having the movement professionally serviced. So it hangs in around sort of 290 to 300 when fully wound. So I'm dead happy with that. So I think it's time to put this watch in its case, as it's got a clean bill of health now. And here we are with the final product. It's come out exceptionally well. This classic watch, absolutely timeless in every sense. And we certainly roll back the years as far as the watch is concerned and the condition. Dial looks fantastic. I love a black dial. So you'll be able to find this watch on my eBay, in my eBay shop, the Horological Centre. You'll find the link below, and you'll find a few more, few other interesting items that I have for sale. So that's it. I hope you've enjoyed watching the various stages of my Rolex 6694 being restored. Movement fully overhauled, case polished, brushed to the lugs, polished to the sides, and brushed bracelet exactly how it would have been originally. So there we are. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to visit my eBay shop. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.